Now, there might be an issue. I don't like my wheels. There was a miscommunication, I think, in design. These are the ones. Got a big lip on this.
To feel good, yo, this track got a feel, man, it's real good. Got the ill melody, but it's still hood. You know the deal. Yo, I never let them keep it flashier than old.
Out of 1 to 10, I had like a 9 fucking scale of doubt that I would love these wheels. But we as a group wanted to try something a little risky because everyone does really safe wheels for GTRs. What's up guys, it's Mike. Good news today. We finally have made the decision to switch out the red wheels for the gold ones. You guys ready to head over to the best tire shop, Fontana? Let's do this. And here we are at HQ. We've got everything loaded and we're almost ready to go. I'm gonna take the GTR in, we're gonna jack it up, and then we're going to take off these wheels. Sorry, video interruption. Nas has a new drink. I'm gonna try this power punch. But anyways, I'm designing some for Tuna Crate. I'm about to take Rob so we can go do some wheel stuff. Anyways, back to the video. Ooh, Georgie, hi. Hi. Okay, hi. Ready? Teleport. Loop. Ooh, teleport. What's up, dude?
How's it going?
This is the shop. I see some pretty cars. I see some people too. All right, here's the plan. Red, be gone, and we're gonna put golds on. Didn't you do the swap last time? Oh no, you rebalanced these.
Yeah.
Because then another shop fucked it up. Hey, check this out, guys. Boom! Look at this. Little drift missile right here. Last time we saw it was white. Now it's grayed out. That's super sick. It looks dangerous. Cool. Lady driven. Just got it wrapped recently, new wheels and everything. Super cool. Damn, the car looks good. Robbie D. Yeah. Check out what your car would have looked like if you wanted to work on it more. Hi Rob, this is your car.
Damn.
Yeah? No, okay, let me show you version 2. All right, Rob, version 2, come here. Come here. Version 2.
This is
Okay, so if you had to pick this style or that style?
I think I'll go with this one.
You gotta go this one?
Yeah.
Seriously?
I think I'll go with this. I like
Cinematic. Let's check out the interior real quick. Damn. I like it. Interior. Sexy. Got a carbon here. Wide body over here. Deep dish. Side skirts. Carbon hood. Big wing. Racing seats. More carbon. Oof. Nice fitment. Victor, which one do you like more?
Definitely these.
Yeah? Why?
The dish.
You like the dish?
I love
We like dish too.
I love it.
I like food.
Yeah.
Look at this. Damn. They're light too, aren't they?
Yeah.
Pretty decent.
Heavy. Those.
Damn.
Those things are heavy.
I bet. They're so pretty though. Did you hear that, Rob? That was sassy. Let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. I eat ass. Damn. Yep. Victor, thank you once again. We'll bring it back for some photos and videos. I'll see ya. Asian bow. Are you guys ready? Wham! Look at that. Oh my god. On camera, these look so yellow.
Dude.
It's pretty.
And I can't wait to see it. It's gonna look fucking nice.
It's gonna look so good.
It's gonna look fucking nice.
There's a Subi.
Damn, the last time, the last time I saw it was at the old spot. We still had the blue wrap on the GTR.
God.
Holy shit.
What's up, Chuck boy? I saw the nest.
We dropped them. You're lying.
Scratched all of it.
Not these ones, the ones inside. We fucked them up.
Just kidding.
Wait, what? Oh, they look good.
We are back at the HQ. We got the wheels. Stick them on there. Ready? There we go, guys. So I think we gotta do one thing. There's too much camber on the rear, so we're gonna have to get that adjusted. But the car looks good. Little tire shines on it right now. Alright guys, so we took a little field trip and we're getting gas for the GTR. E85 of course, I've been running 91 for a little bit to clean out the system, but we should get about 78% ethanol here, and I'll show you guys once we fill up. But let's take a look at the car aired out of the gas station. Okay, check out this 5.0. He's running some drags in the back. Dang. Look at this. Dang. Wonder what he does. Look. People from Philadelphia taking pictures. Godzilla.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, 700 horsepower? 700 horsepower. Daily driven? It's daily driven 700 horsepower. Oh my goodness. Got some carbon accents here. Man. You never know who you meet at the 85 section. Holy crap, his car was loud. It sounded like I don't know what it sounded like. It sounded like a giant like suction, like a vacuum. I thought it was an airplane at first. Dude, your car is so loud. It sounds like a giant vacuum. I thought it was an airplane.
Hey man, I can hear those turbos coming in when you're spooling,
Oh my gosh, his car is so loud. Alright guys, sorry for the loud car, but ethanol shows about 69%, which is a bit lower than I'm used to, but it'd probably be the mixture of 91 still in the car. I've got to adjust the bags a bit to fix the camber issue, but besides that, I think the car is running pretty nice. The car looks amazing. Hi Leah, can you end the vlog for me? Hi Turbo. Hi Subi. Can you end the vlog for me please? Say hey bye to everybody. Please. Say bye. Can you give him a fist bump? Boom. Boom. Say see you later. Fist bump.